Today we're going to install Bank 2 Catalytic Converter on a 2009 Dodge Challenger. Where you running to, Abdallah? Alright, I just made a video of how to remove it, so I have everything already prepped. I already have my jack lifting up the car. I have the jack stand supporting the car. We're going to go ahead and grab the new one, and we're going to go ahead and slap it on. Alright, I'm going to be using an impact with the 5/8 socket with an extension. There's the 5/8. This has 4 nuts on it. It has 2 to secure the cat, and then 2 for the heat shield that is right there. So let's go ahead and mount this cat up there, right in there, and we'll put these nuts on there. Alright, before we secure this cat down, from previous experience, it's easier to put this bolt back on to place right now before you bolt this down. Otherwise, you're going to struggle to put this bolt in. So let's go ahead and put this bolt in right now. Alright, and there it is. I didn't tie it. I just put the screw in there, so we have that as a guide. Now I'm going to go ahead and secure everything down in here. And you'll be using a 5/8 socket to tie these down on both sides. And then we're going to go ahead and install this heat shield. This is going to go just like so, and it's going to secure with those 2 nuts. And just secure this heat shield. Perfect. Alright, and there it is. The heat shield is installed. Now let's go ahead and install this oxygen sensor right into its location right there. And we're going to go ahead and secure the oxygen sensor with a, what's your size, bro? 7/8. And just secure it down. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and I guess we could tie down this bolt. Actually, I think we might want to put that exhaust pipe first. That way we don't have to be messing with the gap mint. So let's go ahead and insert this pipe first. Alright, and there it is. And I did have to push this pipe in a little bit. So we'll go ahead and slide this as far in as possible. Then we'll secure it with the 15mm. Alright, just go ahead and secure these with the 15 on both sides. And don't forget the screw up here. We have to tie down, and that is also a 15. And just go ahead and tighten this one as best as you can. Alright, let's go ahead and remove all the tools from underneath the car. The jack stands. Let's go ahead and lower the vehicle. Might need both hands. Just drop it nice and slowly. There it is. I just like to set it like that and just let it do its job. Alright. Now what we got to do is clear that check engine, do a drive cycle, and we should be set. Let's go ahead and start it up. Alright, there's the check engine. Here's our scanner. There it is, Bank 2. Sweet, so let's go ahead and clear everything. This one won't do with the vehicle one, so we'll leave it on the accessory mode. And we'll rescan. We erase, scan, and the light's flashing over here now. There it is, no more codes. We just need to do the drive cycle to clear all these monitor status, and we should be set. No more check engine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.